Best car tire shine products enhance tire appearance, protect rubber from cracking, repel dirt, and help maintain a clean, glossy, long-lasting finish. My today's video is about top 5 best car tire shine products that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Sprayable. The Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine, TVD11316, is a reliable detailing solution designed to restore and enhance the appearance of tires and exterior trim. Its sprayable formula quickly delivers a deep, wet-looking shine that makes tires look freshly detailed while also protecting rubber, vinyl, and plastic from fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by sun and weather exposure. One of its standout features is the extra glossy finish that gives tires, bumpers, and weather stripping a rich showroom-style shine. Unlike many greasy dressings, this product dries to the touch when applied properly, leaving a clean and streak-free surface. The simple spray application makes it easy for beginners and professional detailers alike. Just spray, spread evenly, and wipe away any excess. Beyond tires, it works effectively on interior trim, engine bay plastics, and even marine surfaces. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, this versatile dressing helps revive dull surfaces and keeps vehicles looking polished and well-maintained between washes. Now our second product is P&S Professional Detail Products Dressed Tire Finish. The P&S Dressed Tire Finish tire dressing is a premium solution for drivers who want a clean, professional tire finish without the drawbacks of traditional silicone-based dressings. Its advanced water-based formula delivers a deep, rich look while maintaining the natural appearance of rubber, avoiding the greasy residue often left by solvent products. What makes this tire dressing stand out is its ability to mimic the durability and shine of solvent-based alternatives. Thanks to a specialized blend of polymers, it provides long-lasting protection and gloss while remaining eco-friendly and non-hazardous. This makes it ideal for both professional detailing shops and home users. Application is simple and flexible. It can be sprayed directly onto the tire or applied with a brush to ensure an even coat and a smooth, professional finish. The formula spreads easily and enhances the tire's color without creating sling or buildup. As part of the trusted double black collection from P&S Detail Products, it's a detailer-approved product known for reliable results and consistent performance. Our third product is Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. The Car Guys Tire Shine Spray is a versatile tire dressing designed to give drivers complete control over their tire's final appearance. Whether you prefer a deep glossy shine or a subtle satin finish, this formula allows you to adjust the look with simple application techniques. It comes with a convenient applicator pad that helps spread the product evenly, ensuring precise and mess-free detailing. One of its biggest advantages is its long-lasting protection. The advanced polymer-infused formula helps shield tires from harmful UV rays that can cause fading, cracking, and browning over time. With just one coat, tires maintain a fresh, rich appearance that lasts through multiple drives. Unlike many traditional dressings, this formula dries quickly and leaves a non-greasy surface. That means no oily residue, no sling on your car's paint, and a clean, professional finish every time. Made by Car Guys, the product reflects the company's commitment to quality and reliable customer support, making it a trusted choice for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Now number 4, Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat. The Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat is designed to restore tires to a fresh, showroom-quality appearance while delivering long-lasting protection. Unlike many traditional tire dressings that provide only temporary shine, this ceramic-based formula bonds to the tire surface, helping maintain a deep, clean look for much longer. It effectively revives dull rubber and gives tires a rich finish that enhances the overall appearance of your vehicle. Application is simple and beginner-friendly. After washing the tires, you just apply the coating using the included foam applicator and wipe away any excess with a microfiber towel. The process takes only a few minutes but delivers professional detailing results. One of its standout advantages is the non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch finish. Once cured, the coating helps repel dust, dirt, and road grime while preventing messy sling onto your car's paint. Compared to typical tire shine sprays, this advanced formula can last up to 10 times longer, making it a reliable choice for drivers who want durable shine and protection. And our last choice is Tire GSS CO2 Tire Shine Spray. The Ethos Graphene Tire Shine with CO2 is a premium tire dressing designed to deliver a deep, rich satin finish that enhances your tires without looking overly glossy or artificial. Instead of leaving a greasy surface, this advanced formula restores the natural black appearance of rubber, giving your vehicle a clean and freshly detailed look. Its standout feature is the innovative graphene CO2 technology, which creates a strong protective bond on the tire surface. This layer offers impressive water resistance and shields tires from harmful UV rays that can lead to fading, cracking, and dry rot over time. The formula is also rubber-safe and free from harsh chemicals, helping maintain tire health and long-term durability. Application is simple and mess-free thanks to the included high-density foam applicator. It spreads evenly, prevents product sling, and ensures a smooth, professional finish. Additionally, it actively protects against blooming and discoloration, keeping tires darker and newer looking for longer. Overall, it's an excellent choice for detailers and car enthusiasts seeking long-lasting protection and a refined finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.